In front of me is Realme 12 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top. Then use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it. And go back to standard keyboard by tapping on this arrow. Now copy or cut any text and paste it by clicking on it on the top of your keyboard or by clicking on Clipboard and clicking on it here. To pin one of your added words or sentences, use this pen at the top right corner, click on the chosen one and tap on pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. To delete it, click on pen one more time, select sentence that you wish to delete and tap on pin icon next to the pin one. Lastly, to disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!